Everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on the application of Flow. We go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on Flow app. Then in this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here in this page you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.